welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe. All the wigs I'm going to show you today were provided by Pinky Promise, so thank you to them for sending these wigs to review for you all today. So today we're going to do something really fun. I have the box of new Gabor wigs. I have not even taken the tape off the box. We're going to unbox and check them out together in just a minute. All right, let's get started digging in. So I opened the box. There are the Gabor boxes. So this is part of their designer series, and this is their new summer collection for 2023. The wig that I am wearing, by the way, because I know you guys are going to ask, this is Soft and Subtle, and this is the Petite Average cap, and the color on this one is Dark Chestnut. So I have had this wig for years. I have an old review from, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago on her, and I still wear her. I still love her. She's a great style, but let's take a look at these. So I'm going to pop her off so we can start looking at these styles. So first one up is going to be Gimme Drama. That sounds like a good thing to start with. So the shade on this one is the 829 SS Shaded Hazelnut. So we will open her up. Looks like I see some curls here. I haven't really looked into these that much, so I just know, you know, I can just see the names on the tags and stuff like that. I don't really know a ton about the collection. Okay, the hairnet is stuck on the tag. We're just gonna leave it there. Alrighty, so take the paper out. Give her a little shake. Oh yeah, definitely got some curl. Looks like volume in the back there. Come on, this hairnet needs to come off. It is literally wrapped around the tag, so I guess it's gonna stay. Okay, let's put her on. These are just previews. I'm gonna review all these, so you'll get all the details whenever I do the review, but okay. Whoa, she's given drama, all right. Okay. Wow, these are fitting very petite. This one fits very petite. I mean, if it's fitting my head perfectly with no extra room or anything. So, okay. So I'm not even going to take the zigzags out or anything. She does have a part and a left mono part and a lace front. Okay. All right. More on her in the review. Okay, next up we are going to look at Dress Me Up, and this is in the 1222 SS Shaded Cappuccino. Dress Me Up. This is, I think I have seen a video or a picture of this one. I think it's a wavy, yeah, this is a wavy style. Oh, this looks pretty. And the hairnet came all the way off. Looks like they just threaded the tag accidentally through the hairnet on that other one. Okay, so pretty. Kind of reminds me of, you know, Simmer by Raquel Welch. A little less wave, just very subtle wave there. So she is a lace front, and she has an interesting part. So more on that whenever I do the review. But so her part like wraps around in the back. So should give really good coverage. All right. Oh, she's pretty. And I love this color. Oh, she's a keeper. Oh yeah, really pretty. So long layers. Might be a bit of a face flopper, might need some training. Oh, she's cute. Really cute. So far, she's my favorite. Yeah, I like this just subtle wave. Not feeling any permatease. I like that. Yeah, cute. On to the next one. Let's take a look at another one. So I did want to mention these are heat-friendly fibers. So just like that, was it the spring? I think it was the fall collection. That they brought out the Raquel Welch colors, and they were in the heat-friendly fibers. These are the same way. So, okay, so Glamorize Always is in GF 13 132 SS. I need my glasses, y'all. Which is Shadow Shade Sangria. So let's check that out. So that's gonna be red. Oh, look at that. That does look like sangria. Makes me want to go sit on a patio somewhere and sip some sangria. Okay, so paper out. This one. Oh, looks like we have one of their hand-tied mono. It's not a true mono top, it's a hand-tied top. So when I do the review, I will give you explanation of that. But looks to be a bit of an inverted bob. Not extremely inverted, but not feeling a lot of permatease. We'll see when we put her on here. I don't know about this color on me. Woo! Look at that. Wow, that is stunning. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's a cool color. I don't know if I've ever tried this color. Okay, so she does have, you know, she will have a lace front and then a hand-tied top, which, like I said, I'll cover that more when I do her review. So really cute. Oh, that's cute. I was afraid this one was going to have a lot of volume, like in here. I'm not feeling permatease again. No permatease. There's a little volume from the cut because she's a little stacked back here, and then there is some inversion, so she's a bit longer here in the front, but it's not crazy, you know. So I think it's really cute. Bang. No, long layer here in the front. So she's cute too. Okay, on to the next one. Last one is ready for it. Are you ready for it? This one is in GF 1122 SS, which is Shadow Shade Honey Pecan. Really pretty color. Should be pretty. This is I know this is a longer style. Pretty. Looks like long and wavy. Again, heat friendly. Yes, they're all heat friendly. Okay. Unstuffer. This again is going to have that hand-tied top. I'll explain more of that when I do the review. Wow, that's pretty. Long. Nice. Very pretty. Okay. And pop her on. No extended nape. I'll complain about that when I do the review. There is a little tease I'm seeing on this one here at the edge. Maybe a little bit, well, at the wefting. Again, I'll look them over more and cover all that when I do the review. So, okay, so this one you are able to, you know, change your part. So it's kind of parted in the middle, it looks like right now. But, oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. And again, this is fitting my head really nicely. This is fitting more like that soft and subtle petite average. All of these are fitting that way. So, something to note. So. Very pretty. Oh, that's nice. That's going to be a really nice. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and thank you to Pinky Promise for sending these wigs to review for you all today. Be watching out for these reviews. They're going to start next week. I can't wait to give you more details on these beautiful new Styles by Gabor and their designer series for 2023. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.